Yes, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mengesha Ayub from Ethiopia, working as instructor and researcher of veterinary pathology. Today I would like to present a title focused on should pharmaceutical companies be required to develop antibiotics targeting African-specific resistant genes identified via genomic studies. As a group, we stand on the negative position, or Team B. African companies, pharmaceutical companies, not only the problem solver of this antibiotic resistant gene, but also the other world or continent should participate to solve this problem. Even though those antibiotics resistant genes like MRSA, SBL producing Enterobacteria and Carbapenem resistant organisms, and also MDR TB are some of the specific antimicrobial resistant genes. But this issue is a very big issue in which the world can entertain the One Health approach practices. The other continents should also take action for this, because we know that nowadays there is a movement of people across the globe, movement of animal byproducts through market and trades. So simply those resistant genes can also transform it from one continent to another continent and create another problem out of the Africa continent, so that every academic institutions, research centers, and other health practitioner institutions should participate to produce non-antibiotic resistant gene, or to replace or substitute the non-antibiotic resistant gene for treatment or creation of this specific diseases. So we know these antibiotic resistant genes do have high effect across the environment, across the livestock sector, and the human beings. It's One Health approach, and we know One Health approach is one of the world concern, not only the health practitioners but also those non-health sectors like agriculture and other environmental science experts should participate to come together with One Health perspectives. Should not be lived for Africa only, but should be a global issue. We know MR is a global issue, and as I mentioned before, genes identified in Africa circulates globally, you see. We have to work together with other colleagues, and actually this is not specific for antimicrobial resistance genes, which are specifically found in Africa, but as a world, we have to come together. We have to do together as a partnership and friendship, because you see, some problem may also happened at Asia and other continents. So during this time, we Africans should also not keep silent without take our part to bring a solution. So like that, as a world also should participate for African problems. As I said, one, it increases our collaborations, integrations, and come together for one single planet. So this is one advantage. Yeah, actually, this pharmaceutical companies requires a huge money to manufacture and produce a new drug that can replace the resistant gene, and it consumes time. So it is a huge and economically devastating approach. So we need help from other continents as well. So as I said before, we need incentives, collaborations. So to do that, other continents or research centers, companies, academicians should come together for such kinds of problems. We have to share the problem and bring the solution, because a problem happened at specific continent will be the problem for another continent. No question, because it's a drug, resistant gene, a resistant gene for a given specific antibiotics. So this resistant gene by any means can be transformed to another place. So we should take the responsibility. Actually, in order to prevent such kinds of problems in Africa, or in order to reduce the rate of resistant genes, we have to follow the stewardship programs, strengthening labs in diagnostics, vaccination campaigns, public funding for R&Ds, African pharmaceutical capacity building, and one that will takes place. These are rebuttals, affirmative claims, and negative rebuttals. Very important issues I just put on this table. This in general, the questions before us is not whether Africa deserves solutions. It absolutely does. The question is whether the complementary pharmaceutical mandates are the best path towards sustainable antibiotic inhibitions. Yes, in conclusion, a closing statement is this AMR in Africa is urgent and real. There should be sustainable progress requires in global cooperation. Public health, public investments, stewardship and prevention, strong health statements are important. In conclusion, pharma should contribute but not be required to develop Africa-specific antibiotics. Thank you very much. This is all about we have. Thank you. Have a nice time.